Hello friends, welcome to youtube.com oblique Dr. Ved channel. I am Dr. P.R. Patel, Professional Head Veterinary Medicine. Here we'll discuss very important disease of horses. It is a bacterial disease, ulcerative lymphangitis. In part 1, we will discuss synonym, introduction, etiology and epidemiology. Here we discuss synonyms of ulcerative lymphangitis. One synonym is big leg. The ulcerative lymphangitis is most common in the legs of the horses. Due to this, there is edema or inflammation of the legs, and legs looks bigger. So it is called as loose term big leg. False strangles, because the similar symptoms of lymphadenitis, lymphangitis, skin abscess, skin ulcers are observed in strangles also. But this is not a strangle. So it is called as false strangle. It is also called as dry land distemper, because generally this is a dry land disease occur in the USA, dry states of the USA. So it is called as dry land distemper. Here we see introduction of ulcerative lymphangitis. The etiology of ulcerative lymphangitis is Corynebacterium pseudotuberculosis. It is a primary disease of horse, but also affect cattle, sheep and goat also. Generally, it affects the lower limb of the horses, and the disease is ulcerative lymphangitis, the main disease. But it also produces other type of infection also. Chronic abscesses in pectoral region of the horses, contagious acne or skin infection, skin abscess. But main thing here we discuss is ulcerative lymphangitis. Corynebacterium pseudotuberculosis also produce various types of infection in cattle. Ventral lymphadenitis, inflammation and abscess of lymph glands. Abscesses of the internal organ. Ulcerative dermatitis on the heel of the foot. Cutaneous abscesses, and they form a pyogranulomatous abscess in the subcutaneous tissue in cattle. Corynebacterium pseudotuberculosis also produce mastitis. There is edema and a lameness of affected limb is a common observation. The etiology of ulcerative lymphangitis is Corynebacterium pseudotuberculosis biotype 2. These organisms are saprophytic and intracellular organisms. Please remember, biotype causing ulcerative lymphangitis in cattle and horses are different from the biotype that causing caseous lymphadenitis in sheep and goat. Organisms same, but there are different biotypes. In one group, cattle and horses, it causes ulcerative lymphangitis. In sheep and goat, it causes caseous lymphadenitis. The organisms are pleomorphic, gram-positive, non-spore forming, non-motile, raw-shaped bacteria, either straight or slightly curved. Here we will see epidemiology of ulcerative lymphangitis. Regarding the prevalence of infection, it is the most important disease of North Africa, Israel and Asia, especially in horse industry. Ulcerative lymphangitis is a sporadic disease. The general morbidity rate is 5%. And when the disease occurs, it is difficult to cure the disease, chronic disease. So the owner has to cull the horses or animals. So culling mortality rate is high, 16%. Here we will see economic effect of ulcerative lymphangitis. The loss is generally due to increased culling rates in horses. The horse are required to be culled. In cattle, there is decrease in milk production, mostly due to mastitis. Due to this Corynebacterium, there is changes in the quality of bulk tank milk and it increases the somatic cell count. So it deteriorates the quality of the milk. Thus, it has a economic impact both in equine industries and in the milk industry. The unhygienic condition on the ground and wet condition on the ground, particularly of the lower legs and ventral region of the horses, make them more predisposed to the infection because these Corynebacterium tuberculosis are saprophytic organisms and they survive well in wet condition and spread in unhygienic condition. So to prevent this disease, if the owner improve the hygienic condition of the horses, especially lower legs and of the ventral region in the stable, this disease can be prevented. Sources of infection of Corynebacterium pseudotuberculosis. The important spread occurs by arthropod vector. They bite or they transmit it mechanically, especially Hebronema species larvae and stable flies. They create a wound on the skin and organism enters. Contact with infected fomites such as contaminated soil, contaminated grooming equipment, and other direct or indirect contact also act as a source of infection. Here we discuss transmission of ulcerative lymphangitis. Generally, there is sporadic form of cutaneous ulcerative lymphangitis, but outbreak also occur during summer months of the year, and outbreaks are correlated with the prevalence of houseflies. This suggests that housefly also act as a transmitter. It may be a mechanical transmitter of the Corynebacterium organism. It is observed that the bacteria enter via skin wounds, intramuscular injection, arthropod vectors such as Hebronema species larvae and stable flies, insect bite wounds. So this thing causes abrasions or injury on the skin wound and the organism enters. Contact with infected fomites such as contaminated soil, grooming equipment are also act as a source of infection and transmission. Ulcerative lymphangitis is a primary disease of horses. but it also affects cattle, sheep, and goat. Mainly, it is a disease of horses. Friends, here we have discussed important disease of the horse, ulcerative lymphangitis caused by Corynebacterium tuberculosis. Please share this information to veterinary students and veterinarians to promote the channel, subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for observing this video.